So we got some interesting thing going on with Beyond Meat. Yesterday we tested the major resistance below the $1, and now we might have a retest for Beyond Meat before the close for this week will be even better or great sign, because last squeeze we did for Beyond Meat took almost 1 month, and now we over 1 month. So there is a critical zone that we should break in order to confirm the squeeze up for Beyond Meat. We're going to discuss it right now. Before we go further, remember again, guys, our content here always for educational purposes. So last update that we did for Beyond Meat was yesterday, and the market was testing this level. Yesterday we tested the third time, because the last two times was last year at the end of December, and we got shorted around the 96, and we have a real good jump, 7% or 8%. Yeah, we did 8% yesterday. I was watching it closely because I said if we broke, we might have a squeeze. We talked about it yesterday, but we got near the 96. We went until the 95.80 precisely, and price pulled back because we're not ready yet. Even though we got some new news that Beyond Meat appoint new chief accounting officer. This might change the game plan or the fundamental for Beyond Meat, but the news didn't affect the price yet. However, even if we don't have a good technical, we just want to see just from the technical side, not the fundamental. I don't care about the fundamental, guys, because if we broke this level, this mean there's someone bought big time, big shares, and this is will affect the short seller to cover, and this is will give us the early squeeze up at least 30 or 60 or 100% the next time we break this level. So as we discussed before, as long as we can consolidate here, like what we did before in December, before the squeeze here, we took a little bit of time, almost 1 week for consolidation. We're gonna have the same scenario happen again, because here we consolidated almost 1 week, because once we tested the support, we counted here, it took 1 week for Beyond Meat to squeeze 100%, and here almost 1 week at the end of December, and now almost the 6th of January. Yes, so technically almost 1 week if you want to count the weekend and the day off, but if you don't want to count it, yeah, it's less than 1 week. So maybe at the end of this year, not the end of this year, in the end of this week, we might have a drastic test for this level. Maybe even today, if we broke this level, we're gonna have the confirmation for a breakout. But be careful, guys. We don't want to have a wick, because last breakout that we test, we have a huge wick and the price pulled back down. Then the second breakout confirmed the squeeze. So here, even if we have a wick, this will be a good sign that we might test it the second time for a confirmation for a squeeze up. Just put alert over there, and once we have the breakout, I will update the level first on our Discord and Patreon, like what we always do. Last time we did the updates for other stuff, not like Beyond Meat, but we did for BNAI. It was really great play. We suggest for a breakout from the 426 and profit taken on the 490, and today we already hit this level, and still waiting for another breakout, because this stock is really crazy and really volatile, guys, because it jumped from just below the $1 right now, is almost around the $4 for BNAI, which is one of the top stocks that we traded yesterday and the day before, because before it was really down for BNAI. I already put it here on the list, and as you can see here, did reverse split, and the end of last year was around the $1, and right now is around the 4, so 4x. And now we got another reversal from the $4. We're gonna do another update, of course, for it on our Discord and Patreon. In the meantime, yes, Beyond Meat is still consolidating sideways. We have good news fundamentally, but I will be extremely cautious and ready for this breakout pretty soon. So as we said, if it happened early, we're gonna do an update on our Discord and Patreon early. After that, we're gonna do update tomorrow, as usual, 30 minutes before the market open on our live stream.